Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to remove object from the photo. In this image we are going to remove the glass. First, make a duplicate copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Using lasso tool, select the glass area. We are selecting outside part of the edges to avoid the highlights of the object. Now go to Edit and select Fill. A property box will pop up. Select Content Aware from the list. Press OK. See the result. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. You can see the changes. Let's apply this method to one more object. Here we are going to remove pen. Follow the same process. See the result. Now let's try this with an object having shadow. We have a plant here with shadow. Now while selecting, make sure to select the shadow part also. See the difference. Do you found this tutorial interesting? Then don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.